Hello, the last part in dissolution of the firm chapter is you have to prepare several ledgers account. The first ledger account that you have to prepare is for the partner's loan account, which is appearing on the asset side. Since it's on the asset side, the opening balance will always be on the debit side. Now the partner will have to pay back the money to the firm. So if he pays back, you write bank, and if no mention that he has paid or not, then you will transfer it by writing by partner's capital account. The second ledger account that we will prepare is prepare the capital account of each and every partner side by side, how you have learned in your previous partnership chapters. So for every capital account that you're preparing, the opening balance is usually on the credit side because it's always appearing on the liability side. Also transfer the partner's current account balances. If it is on the asset side, put it on the debit side. If it's on the liability side, put it on the credit side. Then you check your realization account. If in the realization account you have credited the partner, so in the partner's capital account you will show it on the debit side. If in the realization account you have debited the partner, so in capital account you will show it on the credit side. The 6 entries that you learned in my video number 2 regarding general reserve, workers' compensation fund, IFREF, deferred revenue expenditure, P&L, all those journal entries that you had passed, you have to post it in the capital account. In the journal entries of capital account was credited, then you credit the partner. If in the journal entries of partners were debited, then you debit the partner. If there was partner's capital account mentioned in the asset in the loan account, then you transfer it to the capital account as well. In the end, you close the capital account by writing to bank or by bank. Then third ledger account that you will prepare is partner's loan account, which is appearing on the liability side. The one that is appearing on the liability side will always have an opening balance on the credit side. If we give interest on the loan, then you record it as by realization because this is coming from the realization account. If claim is given up, then you record to realization because it's coming from the realization account. Okay, if he's returning back some money to us because excess was settled in asset or excess was paid to him in cash, then you write by bank. The remaining amount needs to be settled, so you write to bank. Then in the end, you prepare bank account. Opening balances, if it's on the asset side, record it on the debit side. If bank is an overdraft, then you record it on the credit side. Suppose cash balance is also given in the question, you record it on the debit side because it's an asset. Check your realization account. In the realization account, if bank or cash was credited, so in this account it will be debited. In realization account, if cash or bank was on the debit side, then it will come on this side. Similarly, check for bank entries in the capital and loan accounts that you have prepared earlier and post it here. Okay. In the end, you do the totals of the bank account. Both the sides should tally. If it tallies, then you're good to go.